welcome back to my channel. I'm Athens Fong. Today I'm going to show you how to do cup stacking. Okay, first step is the cup stacking. Start from 3. So your hand's going to be like this. Put one cup like this, and then another cup you're going to do like this. And then when you are ready, you just do the replay just like this and like this. Okay, next step is going to be the 6 cups. It's going to be, so left hand is going to be 3 cups and right hand is going to be 3 cups, okay? So, and then you just going to build like this. And then another time, the left hand you're going to 3 like this. And like this. Okay, and then I have 3 tricks. So first step is the 3 3 3. So just put 3 3 3. This is called the 3 3 3. Okay guys, do you see that? Next step is called the rapid fire. Next step is going to be the 3 3 3 3. So just go 4 3. You just like go down. And the next step is going to be like this. So 6 and 6. You just do boom and boom. Okay guys, so that is for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next video.